Today we're heading down south. Not for the southern accent or the Creole accent. It's the Cajun accent. It comes from Louisiana French-speaking Cajun communities. It's a blend of French rhythm, English structure, and local charm. Here to help us, Alphonse. Let's go, Shah. If you're traveling through Acadiana, Lafayette, Houma, Bayous, Baton Rouge, Lake Charles, you'll hear it. Friendly, musical, and full of personality. Let the good times roll. Léchez les bons temps roulés. My English resonance is in the center of the mouth, right here. But the Cajun resonance is more relaxed, slightly forward, and a little nasal, like the French accent. It's got a musicality to it too, which I dig. Remember to stretch the vowels, not the consonants, yeah? Gotcha. Stretch the vowels, not the consonants. Cajun speech lends gently, not hard, yeah? The kids are playing outside. The kids are playing outside. The melody rises at the end. Friendly, musical. I'm going to the market later. I'm going to the market later. We're cooking dinner tonight.
We cooking the supper tonight?
Let's talk vowels. The I goes to A or E. Sit becomes set or seat. Fish, fish. Sit in the kitchen. Sat in the kitchen. The A sound gets wider. It's a soft landing, not a hard stop. Man becomes, hey man. Cat, K. That man's a good friend. That man's a good friend. Think of the O as rounded, forward, and less tight. More relaxed. Boat. Boat. Go. Go. Or go. Don't go in the boat.
Don't go in the boat.
Let's keep it relaxed for the E, which also gets drawn out. Bed.
Bed.
Pen.
Pen.
Get in bed.
Get in bed.
Moving on to consonants. We'll start with the TH. The voiceless TH, as in think or thin, gets the T instead.
Think. Tin.
The voiced TH, as in that and this, get the D. That.
This.
That thing over there.
That thing over there.
The R is softer or just dropped. Better.
Better.
Car.
Car.
I got a red car.
I got a red car.
The H often disappears in the middle of phrases, like it does in the Cockney accent. He's happy.
He's happy.
This Cajun R drop is not quite as pronounced as the British R drop. It's just more relaxed. More.
More.
Here.
Here.
When you got the ing, you drop the G. Fishing.
Fishing.
Going.
Going.
I'm going to the river.
I'm going to the river.
The final T and D are softened or barely touched. That.
That. Or
That. Went.
when.
Good.
Good.
Boat.
Boat.
What's happening here is your tongue relaxes just before making contact with your articulator. That's the alveolar ridge, the bony ridge just behind your top front teeth. The good boat went slow.
That good boat went slow, yeah?
The final K and the final G are both softened at the end of words, especially after vowels. Work.
Work.
Look.
Look.
Big.
Big.
That guy took a look at the work.
That big guy took a look at the workshop.
This sounds lazy, but it's not. It's rhythmic. And there's a French term for it. Putois. Putois. I love that. It's actually a natural regional speech style shaped by history, community, and culture. You can thank the French for it.
The rhythm and melody.
Yes, the Cajun rhythm. It's musical, quick, and a little sing-song. Let's go to the store.
Let's go to the store.
We touched on it before, but I want to emphasize the Cajun sing-song melody, that rise at the end.
For sure.
Here's a speed round of common words pronounced differently with the Cajun accent. Water.
Water.
House.
House.
Talk.
Talk.
Down.
Down.
We're going down to the house.
We going down to the house.
Are you hungry? Come eat something. I have some gumbo in the stove.
You hungry? Come eat something. Got gumbo in the stove.
How about some common Cajun expressions? This one here all the time. It's like saying sweetheart or buddy.
Sha.
I said this one earlier. Let the good times roll. Léchez les bons temps roulés. Little.
T.
Of course. Or, you bet.
Mais ça.
A little something extra.
Lagnac?
Of course, bud. Come get a plate.
Mais ya. Come get you a plate.
And now for some Cajun fun facts. Cajun English actually evolved from Louisiana French, brought from Acadian exiles. These were French settlers in eastern Canada who were expelled by the British back in the 1700s. Acadian was shortened and softened into Cajun. The melodic tone of the Cajun accent is influenced by Zydeco and Cajun country.
High energy Louisiana Creole music meant to keep it dancing.
It's a joyful blend of rhythm and blues, and it's driven by accordion and washboard.
Now go out there and talk like you're down to Bayou.
Click on the link in the show notes for access to all the accents. And make a comment. Let me know which accent you want to hear next. And remember, I love you.
All right now, you all be good, Sha.